So now let's talk about Neoteric CLO. 16 official Android 6 ROM for Poco F6 Peridot, and I'm explaining this from a proper developer point of view. This ROM is clearly performance focused with a clean-based stable framework and a well-tuned kernel. If your main priority is raw speed, smooth UI, and gaming performance, then this ROM is definitely made for you. But let me be very clear, battery backup is bad. You will only get around 4 to 5 hours of screen on time. So if battery matters to you, then don't flash this ROM. Flash it only if performance is what you want. Talking about what's new in this update, the ROM is using updated blobs from OS. De tout le VNPMXM. Kernel has been updated to Glacium 2.4. DevFrec boost tuning has been improved for better active usage and slightly better idle behavior. Focal Tech game mode touch delay fix has been added, and it is still under testing fast charge. Implementation, which was missing earlier, has now been fixed. Graphics blobs are updated for better system stability. C group tuning is improved. Camera privacy toggle is added. PF properties are updated with auto PIF update option. App hide from launcher issue is fixed, and there are several improvements that make daily usage smoother. Overall ROM behavior is aggressive and performance-oriented. Animations are fast. Touch response is sharp. Gaming feels smooth, and thermals stay controlled. This ROM does not focus on fancy features, it focuses on speed and consistency. Now let me explain the clean flash process in a simple way. First, you need to flash the provided images using Fastboot commands. Flash boot image flash init, boot image flash DTBO, image flash, recovery image and flash, vendor boot image after flashing all images, reboot into recovery using volume, up plus power button or fastboot reboot recovery command inside. Recovery, go to apply update, select, apply from ADB and sideload the ROM using ADB sideload. Neoteric 16 Peridot zip once sideload is completed, do a factory reset or format data and then reboot to system. First boot will take some time, so be patient. For dirty flash, there are 2 easy methods. First, using system updater, either download the ROM and use local updater or just download it directly from system updater. And relax, second method is via recovery, reboot to recovery. Go to apply update, select, apply from ADB, sideload the ROM zip and reboot to system. Final verdict is very simple. Neoteric CLO 16 is a true developer grade ROM made for power users, gamers and people who care about performance. And smoothness. Battery backup is a clear compromise here, so battery focused users should stay away. Flash this ROM only if performance is your top priority, and that's all.
How could I know it would be